Experimental sunflower. She's been experimenting sunflower. This is a huge one.
It's huge.
Hey, this is a huge one, Mama. We can plant some more. Allah. Allah. This is my mama. Yeah. She is my business partner.
Amen.
My business consultant. She is my think tank. We are back and we want to continue with our project. Remember where we left from? Yes, we were doing a cow shed and now we got an idea. The cow shed is enough, it's a lot of space, so we want to try and put some chicken inside there also. We will have a small area where we'll put our chicken and we try to maximize on profits. So for now, that is the sound. We are covering our house, a cow house / chicken house. I'm excited. It's a beautiful project. I'm excited. There is this excitement you get when you're doing something. When you're doing something very good. That excitement drives you and it makes you go forward and get focused on what you're doing. For now, I'm just putting in what I have. I'm not counting on any profits as of now. I just want to put in what I have. Profits will come later. Let's just finish the house. I was told to start small. I was told to build a smaller house. I was like, no, let me just build what I can based on my vision. So if you're going to farming, follow your own guts. Of course, you will learn from people. You will take notes, but follow your gut. It's good to believe in yourself. It's good to know what you want to do. Sometimes people will tell you to do it like this. People tell you to do like this. Of course, we will listen. You learn from there. But at the end of the day, everybody has different vision. So we're going to have chicken on that side, on this side of the house. And then we're going to have cows on this side of the house. And for expansion, the way I've built this house, I built it in the way that one day I might want to expand. And I know I'm going to expand. Because I know everything will work out well, so I know I'm going to expand. So what I will do, I will just come increase it and bring it all over the side because I have enough space and I have enough land to continue building and bring it on that side. We were supposed to do silage. Unfortunately, we are late because of other things, work, travel here and there. So I was supposed to come and do silage, but I couldn't do it on time. It's too late. The maize is already drying up. So what we're going to do, we will let the maize to dry up and then we will. The maize is too big. I can't do silage now. It's too late. So I'm going to let it be. We will harvest. This maize is going to help us with our home food. We will use it for food, and the remnants we will also use it for chicken, and we can also make maize jam for our cows. We had the normal napier grass, but now we are getting rid of that napier grass and we are now planting super napier. My guy here has done a wonderful job. He's already planted the first batch. This is the old napier, the old normal napier. The crude pattern of this napier is not very wonderful, so we're removing it. We want to put super napier. Uncle, sasa super napier iko wapi? Super napier. This is super napier. 2 weeks old, eh? 3 weeks? 3 weeks old. Oh my God. Yes, this is the napier that we want now.
Okay.
So we want to replace with the hii. No, mama, sasa tunataka to concentrate on super napier because it has more crude protein compared to the normal one. No, nataka to concentrate on one. Yeah. It's either super napier or hay. So you mix total. Hii ni gani? Hii ni gani? Sasa tutaangalia protein content yake. After some time we will check the protein content tuone how good it is. But it's okay, it's good to mixing ni mzuri pia.
Yeah, mixing.
But nataka to concentrate more on this one.
This one.
Yeah, this one is very good. 3 weeks old. Naona venye inakaa size. Lakini naona imekufa mama. So we'll have to clear this area and then tuweke super napier. But sasa tukirudi kule atuletee tu super napier. Hii yenye tuko nayo, tutatoa mbegu hapa. In case it's okay. Super napier. Yeah, that's the China one. Hiyo ndio super napier, yeah. Hiyo ndio mzuri. Unaona? Ona mama, 3 weeks old. Sasa compare with this one. Compare with this one. But sasa tunataka hii kwa sababu ni wingi na iko na more crude protein. It's better. Iko resistant to everything. It's napier mama, so don't worry. It's napier. Ikishashika vizuri, line moja tutaacha iende paka juu. Tutatoa vijiti hapo.
Hata si moja, tutaacha tu ya kutosha.
Hii
karibu yote.
Sasa
si unajua hii tutachapa hii mtaro yote hii. Kuanzia tu hapo hii.
Yote paka juu, exactly.
Walikuwa koleka harande. Walikuwa koleki harande.
Sasa tunaelekea sasa yeye ndio continuation hiyo. No.
Sasa super napier iende hivyo. Once we remove the maize, it will go all the way to the other side. So we'll have enough super napier. Every 90 days we are harvesting. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my main guy. This is my main guy. When you see me doing this project, because he's the guy. Faithful guy. Yeah, this is my guy. All right. Nyuki nilishachukua tayari. Yeah. This is my main guy. So we want to try and clean as much as we can. Tutaweka paka huku. Unaona huku? Tutaweka mizinga huku. Mizinga alafu unaweka wild flowers. Yes. Wild flowers. Yes, hiyo ni pesa mama. Yeah, so we are planning to do an apiary on this side. We will put some bees on that side. Put some bees on that side. Plant some wild flowers. And we will have our own honey. Fundi, this time muko ndani ya YouTube. YouTube manenos.
Hiyo.
Top engineers. Top engineers. Yeah. Taingia YouTube manenos. Hata anko taingia YouTube.
Taingia huko.
Yeah. Number 1 engineer. Nitakutumia link. Nikishatengeneza nitakutumia link kuona Haya.
Yenyewe ndio
Nobody's been left behind.
Yes, everyone is
Even the young ones are working. Kazi pole pole. Wonderful friends. We are all working. Here, everyone is working.
Yes.
Even farm manager, she is working.
very good.
Friends all over. Everyone is working. This lady, she will be moved very soon. She will go to the new house. This lady, she was an experimental cow. So once we finish the house, she will be moved there. This place here is very small for her. And I think she's very uncomfortable with this small house that we put for her. She's pregnant. We're waiting for delivery, but she's a pregnant lady and she's just here chilling. This is our home. You're welcome to our home. Welcome to our fruit area, our small orchard. We are thankful for the fruits avocados. We are thankful.